What's up, guys? About to do a quick little cut. Let's go check it out.
What's going on, y'all? So today I'm going to be doing the mohawk like I said, and I usually start off with a half towards the bottom in a moon shape around the mohawk because it obviously is a mohawk to give it that mohawk shape, and it's just a half closed. That's all it is. So what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to take the one guard an inch up. I'm going to take it closed, and I'm just going to work my way up a little bit so it blends a little bit and just starts my next guideline. So if you're wondering what I'm doing with the one right now, I'm basically just trying to smooth out the half from the one that I did take so it can start blending already. I haven't opened the lever or anything yet. It's still a closed one. I'm just trying to blend that half to that one guard. That's all. Now I'm about to open it. As I open, I'm just basically going up another inch up to where the 1.5 is going to be so the blend can be nice and smooth. And basically this is the easiest way to do a mohawk on a little man, unless they want it super bald at the bottom, but this is how I do it. Now for the 1.5. The 1.5 is going to tie everything that we did down below up to the top. And I'm going to use a 1.5. I think I might use a 2. I'm not sure I do or not, but right now is a 1.5, and I'm just blending that one that we used at the bottom up to the 1.5 so it can have a better transition as it fades in. If you can tell what I'm doing, I'm basically using the corner of the teeth. And that's what you're going to want to do. You don't want to go full blade into it. You want to use the corner of the teeth so it's like at an angle from the long hair to the short hair, so you're not cutting too much hair off and you still keep that nice transition and that nice flow of the mohawk. Right here, I'm just doing a little bit more touch-up work with the 1.5. I'm going to be taking it up, and at some point in a few seconds, I'm probably going to take the 2 to just blend it in a little bit more towards the top. What I'm going to do at this point is I do notice a line, so I'm going to go back with the half and just go 3 notches back and just buff everything out so it has a nice smooth blend. And what I'm doing right here is I'm using the corners, and trust me, the corners are going to be your best friend when you're a barber and you're just starting out. Always try to use the corners. Corners are going to get out any tough spot that you're probably in. And like most of us do as barbers, we always go back, we see whatever we can see, and we go do the touch ups that we can to fix it, make everything look better, nice and smooth. Always go back and touch up. There's no shame in touching up. So what I'm doing right now is I'm using the Babyless clippers, and it has a texture blade. Texture blades are going to be your friend also. It's always going to get you out of a tough spot. Usually helps with curly hair or hairs that are just, the different textures that you need that kind of blade to get it out. Because a flat blade will always just create another line. When lining up, obviously, just try to keep it as natural as possible. Some people are sensitive with their skin, so try to be gentle. If you see I'm being as gentle as I can with little man, because he kept fidgeting and everything. But it's all good. I know him, so it's all cool. For the back, just keep it as natural as possible. He wanted like the V in the back, so I just kept a natural V with a rounder shape towards the ends, and it comes out pretty nice. So like we already know, brush down the hair, make sure all the little baby hairs or whoever has that front little hairline with extra hair to be cut, brush it all down so it's nice and even. And remember, start from the middle to the sides, middle to the sides. Never on the sides to the middle, because then you can create a hairline that the person might not want, and it's always safer from middle to the ends. if possible, after picking the hair, just kind of shape it a little bit so it looks better when it's all curled up and it's all twisted. What I use in the head is mostly pomade of any kind, whichever you like, and a little bit of water. It's just to soften everything up so when I twist it up, it looks a lot better. So this part is pretty funny. I used spritz to hold everything in, and he didn't expect it, so. And there you go. That's it. A half from a 1 to 1.5, and there you go. You get a nice mohawk.
What's up, guys? Just finished the little Labor Day haircut I just did. It was a client of mine, you know, been cutting him for a while. You know, he fidgets around and everything, but you know, he's cool. Anyways, check it out. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. If you like it, if you don't, it is what it is. Just a little small haircut, a little mohawk. Pretty simple. But check it out and let me know what I can do next. Mullet's coming, it's on the way. Alright? Check out the other videos.